Look at this, Joe with the first one of the day. Hallelujah. Looks like a nice keeper too, Joe. Yes, sir. Just don't pull, guys. We'll get you out in a second. There you go. Beautiful. Who's that, Danny? Who's got that fish on?
Hey.
Ah!
You're funny.
Come on, June, stay up on the rail. Get this one in. Stay up at the rail. Come on, come on. Got the fish of the day. Here, look up, man. Let me get your smiling face. Very nice.
Wow.
Beautiful.
See if he's got a ring flip.
That looks like the one June lost. Another one coming up. Mark, you get a 20-pounder, you're dead. You know that, don't you? You're going to be in trouble, man. Oh my God. Don't worry, I'll Photoshop it. I'll make it look huge. Oh my God. Oh my God. Got him. It's not even a keeper. Long, lean one. Nails, you know. He got the meat stick out today. Woo, shoot him. Kiddo. Oh yeah. shot. It ain't about you, Mark.
Oh, keep coming, keep coming.
Nice driving. All right, he's got a big one this time. I think you got a keeper this time, kiddo. Yeah, nice one. We'll show these other guys how to do it. Keep going, kiddo. Keep going. Keep reeling.
Get that fish.
Keep reeling. Wow.
Look at the size of that.
Keep reeling. A little bit more, bud. A little bit more. Oh boy.
Come on. Come on. You got it. There you go.
Hey, all right.
Nice job. Hey. Nice job. Hey. What a fun. You okay?
The last one of the day, Rocco's in, finally. Last one of the day, Rocco.